Welcome to the in front of me ASUS ROG Phone 5S, and I'll show you how to link or unlink the Google Assistant from the AirTricks here on the left and on the right side of our device. So first we should go to the settings and go to the advanced section. Now we got here our air triggers section. Tap on the switcher to activate the triggers. As can you see, we got here by press and hold for a while on the triggers. You can, for example, right now turn on the don't disturb mode. We can turn off this function. Here we get the short squeeze, for example. We'll just shortly squeeze, or we can also long squeeze to launch the application or another functions. And in our case, that will be the Google Assistant. And right now just go back to see the changes, and now when you'll just hold for a while your air triggers, you will open the Google Assistant by this way. As can you see, that's really simple. And if you want to just turn it off, you can switch it to the another option, or you can just tap once on the switcher and turn off this function. And now when you'll just here squeeze your triggers, you can't open nothing. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.